Do you get distracted very fast? Do you feel like to watch another video of another category while watching a lecture? Are you having any other thoughts during watching lectures?
रहा नहीं जाता तड़प ही ऐसी है ना
Or during your study time and are unable to concentrate? Bhai. Then follow this one trick religiously to never get distracted. Tie a very loose rubber band around your wrist. This will not stop your blood flow. Okay. Next, you do whenever you feel like that you have got distracted, then pull this rubber band and leave it. This will give a sensation of pain to your brain. Then, when you repeat the same for 2 to 3 times, then your brain would even fear to get distracted. You will be completely in your own track to get selected in your dream colleges. But I will tell you one secret. It's completely okay to have a break for 10 to 15 minutes amidst your studies. But that must never last for more than 10 to 15 minutes. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day.